have peed with my cat on my lap.
No, you gotta have boundaries, man.
I would say I go into her bathroom because that's where the litter box is.
I've let them in the bathroom with me just so they could see the horror, and then they never really wanted to do it again.
He thinks that he wants to be in there, and then as soon as the door shuts, regrets it.
Her cats come in when I'm in the shower, check on me to make sure I'm in the shower, and then go shed all over my clothes that I'm gonna wear for that day.
She sits on my lap, and that's probably the highest quality time we spend together.
We've pooped in tandem. That's happened.